Estina Dairy Project Debacle, case dismissed amid judicial exasperation and public outcry, by Satori News. The Free State High Court in Bloemfontein has recently delivered a blow to the pursuit of justice in the controversial Estina Dairy Project case, as the R280 million matter was struck off the court roll. The dismissal, presided over by Judge Celeste Reinders, marked a significant setback in what was initially projected as a straightforward prosecution. The Estina Dairy Project, initiated by the Free State Department of Agriculture, was a scheme designed to support black farmers. However, the program quickly became a byword for corruption, as funds were allegedly misappropriated between July 2012 and April 2014. High-ranking officials, including the former department MEC Mosebenzi Zwane, as well as Gupta associates in several companies, have been implicated in the scandal. Public frustration has been palpable as the case, emblematic of corruption in South Africa, has dragged on for a decade without resolution. The recent court decision surfaces grave concerns about the competency of the prosecuting team, which was deemed unprepared by the defense. The absence of full disclosure and the state's readiness to proceed were the central issues that led to the dismissal. Reputations and careers within the South African legal system are now on the line, with calls for the termination of the staff involved arising from various sectors of society. The failure to prosecute after such a prolonged period is seen as a deleterious mark on South Africa's efforts to combat corruption and create equitable economic opportunities. The response from the public has been one of indignation and disbelief, with the consensus being that those responsible for the bungled prosecution should be removed from their positions and replaced with competent individuals who can act resolutely in upholding the law and seeking justice. The frustrations underscore a broader sentiment that the citizenry's trust in the judicial system is waning. There is a palpable demand for justice to be served for the millions embezzled and the consequent betrayal of the black farming community's trust and expectations for empowerment. The discourse around the case has intensified since the ruling, with commentators and the general public alike reflecting on the implications of such lapses in the judicial process. The uproar has amplified the call for a systemic overhaul to ensure that cases of this magnitude are approached with the seriousness and rigor they warrant. While the Estina Dairy Project case hits yet another roadblock, the journey towards accountability and reconciliation for those affected continues. The societal insistence on efficacy and integrity in the legal system is stronger than ever, and authorities are now under increased scrutiny to deliver justice. Thank you for choosing Satori News.